Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Himanshu, and with us we have our very own student Kamal. Hi, Kamal.
Hello, sir. How
How
are
are
you,
you
sir?
doing?
Good, sir.
Okay, this is the second time we are meeting face to face. First time we
Yes,
had taken your interview experience of NQT,
yes. I
correct?
remember, sir.
Yeah. So, Kamal, the main reason for having this session again is to help students who are, who are like, they have given their NQT interview. They have still not got, many people are like, we have not got any mail from TPO nor from TCS. And there are a lot of doubts. Sir, we have got marks in TCS portal. What is the cutoff and all? Okay. So, we will keep addressing all that. But before we get into that, Kamal, I would like to know which date you wrote the exam, which date you got interview mail, everything. I want to know the dates which you got. Okay, because the
Yes,
interview experience we already have it. So which from the date you wrote the exam till the date you got the result of the interview, we would like to know.
yes. Sir, TCS NQT exam was given from around 14 to 18 somewhat.
24 to
Then we,
28 October.
yes, around October.
Ah,
Then on 11th, I guess I got the, on 9th, I got the mail that from the TPO that you are selected for TCS NQT
hmm,
interview.
hmm.
On 11th was the interview.
Okay,
On 11th was the interview. On 28th, I got the result. I got a mail from TCS that you are selected in as a TCSer. Congratulations. And on the same day, from the college TP also, I got the Excel sheet in which all the selected students were listed there.
that is so fast you told. Wait, first you got a call that you have been selected for interview on 9th of November,
Yes,
correct?
9th on. Yes,
And when did you have your interview?
on 11th.
11th of November.
Yes,
And result you got on 28th. 28th of what? November or December?
November.
November. So fast you got a TCS NQT result.
Yes.
Okay. So 28th of November, you got it from TCS people or from TPO first?
First from TCS.
Okay. So this is a very important point. Till now, we thought that, first it will come from TPO and then it will come from TCS. But here the case is opposite. First he got it from
Yes,
TCS and then he got it from TPO.
a surprise.
Okay. So is your college a premium college in Maharashtra?
Yes, sir.
Which
Partnered with
city?
TCS.
Which city is it? Which
Mumbai,
city?
sir. Parla.
Mumbai. Acha. So from Mumbai, Maharashtra, and their college is also partnered with TCS, as you were telling. So I think all
Yes.
these partnered colleges will get results first, priority basis. Premium colleges, partnered colleges will get it first.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 28th of November results were out. I would like to know, Kamal, like how many people participated in NQT in the first round and how many people were finally selected?
Sir, I think around more than 300 people appeared. Exactly number I don't know, but out of that, 110 people were selected for interview.
Okay, for inter finally, how many people were selected? Placed
Finally, 57.
57.
Yes.
So 57. Are you sure around 200 to 300 people participated? Approximation.
Sir, might be more, sir, because we don't know who all are participating in it. We get the
Okay.
number who are selected.
Okay. So around 110 people attended the interview.
Yes.
Out of 110, 57 people were selected.
Yes.
Okay. That means approximately 60%, no?
Yes.
50 to 60% people were selected. Okay, fine. Okay. So the ratio is the same across India. For NQT, it is around 60 to 70% people are getting selected. And for digital, it is 10 to 20%. Digital, did anybody get selected from your college?
Yes, sir. Four people.
Only four people.
Four people for digital, and previous three people who got for Ninja, they were upgraded to digital after the interview.
Okay. Oh, you mean to say people who had gone for Ninja interview, they got upgraded to digital interview, digital role.
Uh, Sir, previously TCS was partner, no? So they came for campus interview.
Acha,
During
so
that
that
time,
is
they got
separate.
Ninja.
Hmm.
During that time, they got Ninja, and after that, they after in off campus, they got upgradation
Okay. So
to
that is
digital.
separate. That is separate. Coming to
Yes.
your college is separate. We are talking about NQT.
Yes.
Superb. So Good. And I think 57 is a good number. Your college would be quite happy also with that.
Yes.
Okay, okay. And now I would like to know, did you get any mail from TCS regarding, choice of location and choice of domain?
Yes, sir. After we get selected, in the mail they had written clearly, within 1 month you will get the offer letter on the next step portal.
Okay.
So you need to keep checking next step portal. So
Hmm.
when I checked there on the next step portal, there are different logins.
Hmm.
In that one section was accepting the offer letter, in
Hmm.
which all the CTC how it is distributed that was shown.
Hmm.
We
When did
had
you
to
get
select the
this?
offer.
When did you get this offer letter? Which day?
Sir, around few days back, sir.
So around 20th
Exactly.
of December, something like that.
Yes,
20th
sir.
of December. Okay, okay. Hmm.
In that there were two sections. One was to select the preferred location. So
One
I was
second,
selecting
before you continue, I think you even get a mail saying that within this date, confirm if you're joining or not. Do you?
no, sir.
Okay. So they didn't ask you directly, they sent you this location.
No. Yes.
Because
Offer
some,
letter we have to select.
no, no, no.
Offer letter we have to select.
After you got selected in TCS NQT, many people have
Yes.
got a mail from TCS saying that, let us know, do you want to accept the offer or you don't want to accept the offer from TCS? So did you get that mail?
No. No, sir.
Okay, so directly you checked on TCS Next Step portal. From there, you got to know the call letter. You got the call letter,
Yes.
and where you had to mention the preference in the Next Step portal only or in mail.
Next step portal. Next step
Okay,
portal.
okay. So I think all the regions were there from all the states. Am I right? Like we
Yes.
have
Yes.
recently discussed two videos before this, all the regions which were there. Okay, and
Yes,
which
sir.
domains were there, Kamal? Which domains were there?
Yes. Sir, one was Java,
Huh,
.NET,
hmm,
then a mixture of C++, Linux,
huh,
and something other was there.
huh,
And two fields were regarding business development, some role. And one
okay.
was mainframe.
Okay. And what about Python?
No, sir, nothing regarding Python.
Python was not there. Okay. Okay. So you were able to select three priorities even in domain or only one priority in domain?
Three in
Three
domain
priorities.
also.
And even three in location.
Location, yes.
Okay. Okay. So when did you submit this?
Uh, on the day, next day, which I got the offer letter.
And there is a deadline, no? I mean, after you get the offer letter, in these
Yes,
many days, you need to send it to them.
yes, within 7 days.
Within 7 days, you have to send. And after that, any other mail you got from TCS?
Yes, thanks for accepting our offer letter.
Okay, fine, fine. Super. So, Kamal, we needed this information. And one more, no, many people are like, sir, we have got our marks. We have got 1,400 out of 1,600 and all. And we still haven't got the call. So, do you have any idea about it? Now, you tell me you have been selected. Is your marks being displayed on TCS portal?
No, sir. I think the one who are selected, their marks are still being processed. We
Okay.
can't see. The
Hmm.
one who are not selected, I guess they are being shown the marks.
Your friends who got rejected, okay, their marks they are able to see their marks on the next step
Sir,
portal.
no idea, sir. I'll
Okay.
ask an update, sir.
And what about the friends of yours who got selected? Is their marks displayed on the next step
No,
portal?
sir.
Nobody's
No,
marks
sir.
is displayed. Okay. And one more thing which I wanted to ask was, Kamal, there is few section of people who have got like your results will be reviewed by corporates. Few
Oh,
section of students. So all this is now, see what is happening is now people are getting selected. For them they didn't ask, but maximum population of students, what they're doing is they're sending a mail saying that, do you wish to accept the offer letter or not? Okay, now if they tell no, what will happen is a seat will be created, and those seats will be given to people whose candidature is being reviewed by them. So in the month of
okay.
Jan, they will get their result. So right now they're checking how many people are not opting for TCS, so that those seats will be given to those people whose results are being reviewed.
So still
Very
hopes are
important
there.
point. So this is a
Yes.
very important point. So by now, your NQT interview should have got over. Maximum people, a few colleges still it is going on, but maximum colleges it is over. Okay. But still, if you are having your NQT interviews lined up, please do not worry. Okay, please wait for another week or two. After that, you can send them a mail requesting to know what is the status of your interview. Okay, and many rumors are stated that in Jan again NQT will happen. Okay, this is just a rumor unless and until TCS officially announces it is not confirmed. And I don't think they will conduct again after 2 to 3 months. Why? Because already they've
Yes,
conducted in October. Why will they again conduct in Jan? What I feel is mostly they'll not conduct because they're selecting so many people right now, 60 to
yes,
70% people. Hai na?
yes, sir.
Okay, so mostly it is no from my end, but you never know. Okay, so fine, Kamal. Now you have been a student of Quant Master. We are very happy and proud to have you with us. You are champion of our batch because I think you have been selected in more than one company, no, Kamal?
Yes, sir. TCS as well as Cognizant.
Cognizant. You got which one? Gen Z, right?
Gen Z, Gen Z.
Superb, superb. Okay. Now many people have this confusion also, sir. Which one to select? Which one to get not select? Okay, so Cognizant and TCS both are good. Like the other day, we had a discussion. Both are good,
Yes,
but I think Cognizant is providing a higher salary of 4.5 and TCS NQT between 3.36 to 3.6. Am I right?
yes,
Yeah. So
yes.
both are the same, but I feel that Cognizant providing a better salary, you can opt for that because job security, both it is the same. Even in TCS, you have job security. Even in Cognizant, you have job security. Training will be the same. Role will be the same. Okay, so anything. If you are like, no, sir, I am more attached towards Tata, then go for TCS. Or if you get Cognizant, please opt for Cognizant. This is my perspective of telling. So, Kamal, how was your experience with our academy, Quant Masters? How did you feel joining Quant Masters?
Sir, it was excellent, sir.
Hmm.
First of all, starting with aptitude, I
Uh,
thought I was doing the sums very fast, but
uh,
when I get to know the things done by you, like no need to multiply by 5, we can
uh,
divide by 2 and add a 0, or no need
uh,
to multiply by 4, we can multiply twice by 2, or multiply by 8, multiply thrice by 2. All
uh,
such things were time saving so much.
okay.
Previously, I thought every sum might take 2 minutes for me to solve, 3 minutes to me to solve. Then
Hmm.
you are solving sums within 10 seconds without touching the pen, and that
Hmm.
too also in 2 to 3 methods. So any
Hmm.
one method I would easily remember during
Okay.
exam.
Okay.
Technical class, Shashank sir was excellent.
Hmm.
So many things, new things. All the programs are executed. There
Hmm.
also, sir used to teach in more than 2 methods,
Hmm.
different logics and all from scratch.
Hmm.
Being mechanical, also I was able to understand the things very clearly.
Hmm. Okay. What about
Uh,
verbal English part? Because many people find
sir,
English part quite boring. है ना? So how did you find the English part of our training?
sir, English part was also Ritumai was excellent.
Uh,
Currently, I was viewing that GD part also.
hmm.
That was also very good.
Okay, okay. And even the interview training which happened, Vinny sir
Yes,
took interview, 10 hours of interview training, mock interviews. And I think mock interview is still not lined up for you people. It'll be lined up
yes, it is for
shortly.
batch 10. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So anything different that you found in Quant Masters that you didn't find anywhere else? Kamal, you can be honest. No, sir, it's the same. You can tell
Sir,
anything.
no one knows so much techniques.
Hmm,
3 to 4 different techniques, and within such short time to how
hmm,
to solve things.
hmm,
Here we use brain more and pen less.
hmm.
That's the main thing. Brain more and pen less.
Okay, okay. So it was overall a good experience, interesting. Were the classes boring? Morning 6 o'clock you
No,
had.
sir, not at all. 6 o'clock was also motivation. We had a story in between. We had
Huh,
puzzle in between.
huh.
Then we
And I
have
think
quiz
you won.
also.
You won a lot of chocolates also, no, Kamal?
Yes,
As far as I remember, yeah.
sir,
Many
hat
many
trick.
hat trick you had gone. Three puzzles. We have it like puzzle of the day. He answered every day, 3 days in a row. All the three puzzles he answered, and he got three silk chocolates. Am I right, Kamal?
Yes, yes, and we have to send a pic to you.
Yeah, obviously, because when I tell you send you money, that is my money. You have to buy chocolate. That is mine. I know.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
sir.
superb, superb, Kamal. So it was nice sharing your experience. So we wish you all the best, Kamal, for your future. May the best happen to you. Being a student of Quant Masters, I'm really happy and proud of your achievement. And I pray wholeheartedly that you get into a better position very soon.
Thank you, sir. Keep doing this good work, sir. Taking away the difference between company placement and students.
Correct. You will
You
definitely see
connecting
how,
them.
let's see how far this goes.
Mhm.
Okay, so thank you a lot, Kamal, for your time, for your energy, and for the information that you provided. This will definitely help a lot of students who are watching this. So I hope this interview experience would have given you certain knowledge about how it is going on. NQT results, please do wait. They are still not disclosed in many parts. You could wait patiently for a week or two and then send them a mail, okay, requesting the status of your selection. So, with this, I wish you all the best. May the best happen to you. Take care, people. Keep smiling. Bye bye.